Jind, a city nestled in the heart of Haryana, is a place where time seems to stand still. It whispers tales of a glorious past, a rich tapestry woven with threads of mythology, history, and natural beauty. Often overlooked, Jind is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's a city where the echoes of ancient legends mingle with the rhythms of rural life. Jind offers a unique blend of experiences. Explore ancient temples and historical sites. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Haryana. Witness the beauty of its natural landscapes. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking an off-the-beaten-path destination, Jind has something to offer every visitor. Come delve into the heart of Haryana and uncover the magic that awaits in Jind. Jind is steeped in mythology, its origins linked to the epic Mahabharata. This ancient city, nestled in the heart of India, carries with it a rich tapestry of stories and legends that have been passed down through generations. Legend has it that the city was founded by the Pandava king, Yudhishthira. According to the epic, Yudhishthira, the eldest of the Pandava brothers, laid the foundation stone of Jind, marking the beginning of its storied history. It is believed to have been named after Jind, the son of Lord Indra, the king of the gods in Hindu mythology. Jind, a divine figure, is said to have played a crucial role in the city's early days. According to legend, Jind was cured of a curse by taking a dip in the sacred waters of a tank here. This tank, revered by locals, is considered to have miraculous healing properties and continues to be a site of pilgrimage. Historically, Jind was a prominent princely state. It played a significant role in the region's politics and culture, serving as a center of power and influence. It was part of the Fulkian states ruled by a dynasty of Sikh rulers. These rulers left an indelible mark on the city's architecture and traditions, blending their heritage with the existing cultural fabric. The city witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind an indelible mark on its architecture and culture. Each era contributed to the city's unique character, from the ancient ruins to the more recent historical monuments. The legacy of its rulers is evident in the numerous forts, palaces, and temples that dot the landscape. These structures, with their intricate designs and historical significance, tell the story of Jind's glorious past. These structures stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era, whispering tales of valor, romance, and intrigue. They offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who once walked their halls and courtyards. This evocative painting brings to life the legend of Jind's founding. It captures the essence of the Mahabharata era. With its grand battles, heroic deeds, and divine interventions, it depicts the grandeur of the Mahabharata era and highlights the city's connection to the epic. The painting serves as a visual reminder of the city's mythological roots and its enduring legacy. The image evokes a sense of awe and wonder, transporting viewers back in time to the founding of this ancient city. It invites us to imagine the world of the Mahabharata, where gods and heroes walked the earth and where the city of Jind began its journey through history. Jind is home to a remarkable collection of historical sites and temples that reflect its rich heritage. This city, steeped in history, offers a glimpse into the architectural and cultural marvels of ancient India. Each temple and historical site tells a story, a narrative that has been passed down through generations, preserving the essence of a bygone era. The towering structure of the Jayanti Devi temple, dedicated to the goddess of victory, is a testament to the city's spiritual significance. This temple, with its intricate carvings and majestic presence, stands as a beacon of faith and devotion. The architecture of Jayanti Devi temple is not just a visual treat, but also a reflection of the artistic prowess of the craftsmen of that era. This ancient temple attracts devotees from far and wide, seeking blessings and solace. The serene ambience of the temple, coupled with the spiritual energy that pervades the air, makes it a haven for those in search of peace and divine intervention. The rituals and ceremonies conducted here are a sight to behold, adding to the temple's allure. Another must-visit is the majestic Rani Talab, a sprawling water tank believed to have been built by Rani Dabi, the wife of a local ruler. This water tank, with its expansive layout and historical significance, serves as a reminder of the engineering marvels of ancient times. The tranquil waters of Rani Talab provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. Surrounded by intricately carved cenotaphs, Rani Talab is not just a visual delight, but also a serene oasis in the heart of the city. The cenotaphs, with their detailed carvings and historical importance, add to the charm of this place, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. The serene environment of Rani Talab offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Jind fort, though now in ruins, still exudes an aura of grandeur. This fort, once a symbol of power and strength, now stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. The remnants of the fort, with their weathered walls and overgrown vegetation, tell tales of a glorious past and the resilience of the people who once inhabited it. Its crumbling walls whisper tales of battles fought and won, of kings and queens, and of a time when Jind was a powerful kingdom. The fort's strategic locations and formidable structure made it a significant stronghold in its heyday. Today it stands as a testament to the architectural and military ingenuity of the past. The image showcases the architectural brilliance of Jind's temples. Each temple, with its unique design and intricate details, reflects the rich cultural heritage of the region. The craftsmanship displayed in the carvings and sculptures is a tribute to the artisans who dedicated their lives to creating these masterpieces. The vibrant colors, intricate carvings, and the sense of grandeur capture the essence of these sacred spaces. The temples of Jind are not just places of worship, but also repositories of art and culture. The elaborate decorations and vibrant hues add to the spiritual and aesthetic appeal of these temples, making them a must-visit for anyone interested in history and architecture. This visual representation invites travelers to step into a world of spirituality and architectural beauty. Exploring the temples and historical sites of Jind is like taking a journey back in time, where every stone and every carving has a story to tell. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a spiritual seeker, or simply a curious traveler, Jind offers a rich tapestry of experiences that will leave you enchanted and inspired. Section 4. The Tapestry of Culture, Festivals and Cuisine. The cultural tapestry of Jind is woven with vibrant threads of tradition, art and cuisine. This city, with its rich history and heritage, offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. The streets of Jind are a living museum where every corner tells a story of its glorious past and dynamic present. The city comes alive during festivals like Holi and Diwali, celebrated with much pomp and fervor. Holi, the festival of colors, sees people drenching each other in vibrant powders, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Diwali, the festival of lights, transforms the city into a glittering wonderland, with homes and streets adorned with oil lamps and fairy lights, signifying the triumph of light over darkness. The air is thick with the aroma of sweets. The streets are awash in color, and the sound of music and laughter fills the air. During these festivals, the community comes together, transcending social barriers to celebrate with joy and unity. Street food stalls offer a variety of delectable treats, from spicy chaats to sweet halibis, making the festive experience even more delightful. The local Haryanvi cuisine is a delightful experience for food lovers. It is a reflection of the region's agricultural abundance and culinary traditions. The food is hearty, flavorful, and made with locally sourced ingredients, ensuring freshness and authenticity in every bite. From spicy curries to sweet treats, Jind offers a range of flavors that tantalize the taste buds. Traditional dishes like kadi pakora, a yogurt-based curry with gram flour dumplings, and churma, a sweet dish made from crushed wheat, ghee, and jaggery, are must-tries for anyone visiting the city. Don't miss out on trying the bajra ki roti, millet bread, and sarson ka saag, mustard greens, staples of the region. These dishes are not just food, but a representation of the local lifestyle and agricultural practices. The earthy flavors of bajra and the rich, slightly bitter taste of sarson create a perfect harmony that is both nutritious and delicious. The warmth and hospitality of the locals add to the charm of Jind. Visitors are often welcomed with open arms and treated like family. This sense of belonging and community is a hallmark of Haryanvi culture, making every guest feel at home. Experience the true essence of Haryanvi culture by interacting with the locals, who are always eager to share their stories and traditions. Whether it's a tale of ancient folklore or a demonstration of traditional crafts, these interactions provide a deeper understanding of the region's rich cultural heritage. This image encapsulates the vibrancy of Jind's cultural celebrations. The streets come alive with processions, music, and dance, creating a festive atmosphere that is both exhilarating and heartwarming. The community's collective spirit is on full display, showcasing the unity and joy that define Jind's festivals. The colorful attire, energetic dance movements, and the joyous expressions on the faces of the women highlight the spirit of festivity that permeates the city during these occasions. These dances are not just performances, but a celebration of life, culture, and community, making Jind's festivals a truly unforgettable experience. Section 5. The Landscape of Jind Geography and Agriculture. Jind lies in the fertile plains of Haryana. The region is blessed with fertile soil, making agriculture the mainstay of the local economy. Vast stretches of land are carpeted in emerald green fields where farmers cultivate a variety of crops, including wheat, rice, and cotton. The city experiences a typical North Indian climate with hot summers and cool winters. The best time to visit Jind is during the winter months. The weather is pleasant, making it ideal for exploring the outdoors. This image showcases the importance of agriculture to Jind's identity. The vast expanse of green fields, the hard-working farmers, and the clear blue sky create a sense of serenity and abundance, highlighting the region's agricultural prowess. Section 6, A Breath of Fresh Air, Bir Baraban Wildlife Sanctuary. For nature enthusiasts, a visit to the Bir Baraban Wildlife Sanctuary is a must. Located on the outskirts of Jind, this sanctuary is a haven for a variety of bird species, both resident and migratory. Spend a day amidst nature's symphony, surrounded by the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves. Keep an eye out for the black francolin, the Indian grey hornbill, and the painted stork, among other avian wonders. The sanctuary offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. This image highlights the rich biodiversity of the sanctuary and its appeal to nature lovers. The photographer, patiently waiting to capture the perfect shot of the bird, exemplifies the sanctuary's allure for wildlife enthusiasts. Section 7. Tranquility Personified, Rani Talab and its Allure. Rani Talab, a sprawling water tank in the heart of Jind, is more than just a historical site. It's a tranquil oasis, a place where time slows down. The serene waters of the tank reflect the sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Take a leisurely stroll along the banks of the tank, admire the intricate carvings on the surrounding cenotaphs, or simply sit back and soak in the peaceful ambience. Rani Talab is a perfect spot for contemplation and relaxation. This image perfectly captures the tranquility of Rani Talab. The calm waters, the reflection of the sky, and the historical cenotaphs create an ambience of peace and serenity, inviting visitors to unwind and connect with nature.